Hello, this is Claudia from the Negotiation Academy, and this is a short demo of what all our users can currently do in the necademy.com system. So once you're on the webpage, www.necademy.com, you'll have your user profile up here on the right, where you can jump right to the courses or first edit the information behind your user profile. So for example, we'll have your position or university, your name in there that you can add it to keep other people informed of who you are, especially with the pictures, so we can see who's posting in the discussion forums. And from there you can also jump right back into the courses that you've enrolled for, or go back up to here your profile where you have your courses. On the courses page, you will always have an overview of the courses currently enrolled. So I'm here enrolled in the Introduction to Negotiation course, and I can see that I've so far completed 7% of it and what modules we have. If I click on the modules, I will see what my last quiz scores were or what the last forum posts of each of these modules were. Same thing for the Master Negotiator course that I'm enrolled for. Down here I can see the overview of the 7 modules, and I can also jump between the various posts and quizzes that I might have done in there. You can see I haven't started yet, so let me jump right to the first module of the Master Negotiator course. On top of every module, I have the opportunity to go right to the forums if I want to pick up from a discussion that I've left off last time, or I go into one of my lessons. So there's 3 different lesson types. By this little symbol, you can see that this is a written lesson. These will always be, the little play buttons are videos, and there's always quizzes in between. So written lessons are a very rare lesson type, only for introducing certain concepts. So this, for example, is the welcome notice to our course participants. And then once I'm in one of these lessons, I will always have the navigation over here that allows me to jump from one lesson to the next. So I'll jump to our first video. You can see most of the lessons are videos. Here's the first Master Negotiator course video. That's a general welcome video, and it will start playing automatically. And when you're done, you can always click the mark.
Welcome to the Negotiation Academy, and welcome to the Master Negotiator course.
So once you're done with it, you can hit the Mark Complete button to have the sidebar here show a darker button, so you know that you've completed this module, you don't want to revisit it. And what also goes under each of the videos is a forum post where all our participants have the opportunity to discuss any of their questions, raise any concerns, or give their perspective on what they saw in all of the above videos. So as I go through the course and the various modules here, at some point I will always hit a quiz. Every few videos there'll be questions that I can answer. So this quiz, for example, shows me I have 3 questions to answer, a pass mark of 45%, and if I've done the quiz before, it will show me my score here. So many of our quizzes are multiple choice questions where I select the correct answers and the system will calculate how many percentages of the quiz I got. So after the quiz, I move on. I watch some more videos. I end up at the bottom of the lecture, of the main lecture, and I will always find expert introduction videos where we have international experts sharing some of their experience in the module that I'm just in. So let me just open one example. This is Gary Bourne talking on negotiation skills for arbitration lawyers.
I negotiate with clients, with colleagues, and with arbitral tribunals.
So back to the next module, let me jump into module 2 to show you another thing that participants can do in our online environment, and that's negotiation cases. We have 4 core negotiation cases that are part of this current course. So for example, we will have a case that's surrounding lime grapes, and for every case there will be an introductory video where we can explain what the negotiation case is all about and what the negotiation expectations are. And once we've looked into that, we'll go to the next page and see and download the instructions. So there will always be confidential instructions. If I click on this link here, I will have my PDF document that shows me the instructions for my side of the negotiations. And the same thing will be for the other side if I go to the next page. There will be the second set of instructions. And then after each of the negotiation exercises on, again, the next lesson, if I click forward here, I will again find a video that talks in much detail about what this case was about, what possible outcomes were, what was the catch, what was the challenges, what tools and negotiation skills could and should I have used to solve this case as well as possible. So each chapter will have these negotiation cases, again followed by expert videos on how these skills can be applied in real life. Also, always giving an opportunity to submit bonus reflection papers, as we call them. So this is an additional exercise where participants can reflect on how the last exercise was going, how they lived up to their expectations, how they learned, what they would have done differently in retrospect, and simply put that in a diary style PDF document and upload it here. One more thing I want to show you is if we go down, for example, so this is the structure as it goes through all of the course. You'll have various interactive tasks to do. There will be quizzes, there will be exercises, there will be listening tests. You can see here the various assignments that come up with it. Self-assessment sheets for listening, for example. There will be, on some exercises, when you download the confidential instructions, there will also be debrief sheets, so that together with your negotiation partner, you will always be able to give good feedback. So we have these online sheets where if I negotiate with Pratik, for example, as we do the negotiation or when we're done, I can give them direct feedback on how I perceive this negotiation performance, and I can download or print this sheet and simply send it off. There'll be opportunities to video record yourself and then do a self-assessment. There'll be example videos of how the various body language aspects can come into place. All this is worked into the structure of the course and is explained as the course runs through. So that's it, just for a brief overview of what all is possible and is happening on our online course environment. Please do shoot me an email anytime at claudia@necademy.com, and I hope I'll see you soon.